welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a little bit different because I have never done an unboxing on this YouTube channel before, and I was away for 2 weeks. I was down in Florida, and now I'm back in New York City in my new apartment, which I will eventually show you guys once I have like stuff going on. I literally just moved in today, so that's why it's completely empty. But I had a bunch of packages shipped here over the last week and a half. So I figured I would show you guys what I got. Usually I'm too impatient and I open them up as I get them, but since I've been away, I have like a group of them. So I'm dying to open them, I'm dying to see what's inside. So let's jump right into it. Okay, first off, I do want to mention I did open a package yesterday, so I'm just going to start out with them since I'm wearing their item. So this brand is called Luisa. I love their stuff. They have amazing gold jewelry pieces. What I love the most about them is I wear them every day and they never turn silver, they don't turn my finger green, they don't infect my earrings or my ears, anything like that, and they don't rust or anything. So I will of course show you guys some close-ups because some of their pieces are really dainty. But first up, I got this really cute gold little dainty ring. Obsessed with like how little and dainty it is, I love it. And then I got these cute little gold hoops. They're the perfect size for me. I don't like anything too big, but if you guys do like big hoop earrings, these are perfect for your second hole. So love these, and I've been wearing them every single day. I slept in them a few times, whoops, and my ears usually get like crusty and disgusting from earrings. These have not infected my ears at all. Like my ears are perfectly fine with these in, so that's amazing. And then I got this really cute, simple gold chain necklace. Of course, I'll show you guys it in a detailed shot. Anything that I can possibly try on, I will for you in this haul, just so you guys could see it. But it's super simple and plain, and it says BEADED on it, and I think it's really cute. And I do have a coupon code with them. The code is StephanieL10, and you could get 10% off your order. So I will have it right up here on the screen, but also down below in the description box, so you guys can, you know, just in case so you don't forget. But I love them for affordable, everyday kind of dainty jewelry that you could layer, and it's just like what's in right now, and I'm obsessed. And their quality is really, really good, and you guys know I'm super strict with my jewelry because I do have a jewelry line, so obviously I'm gonna be super strict on other brands that I do support. All right, so moving into the actual box items that I'll unbox in front of the camera, I will be very transparent on which items I bought and which were gifted to me. Not sure if you guys even care about that, but I just feel obligated to say if a brand sent me something. So let's jump right into it. I don't even know where I'm gonna start. I'm gonna grab a random pouch. I'm going to start with this one. So I opened the bag just so that I didn't have to do all this on camera, but I have no idea what's inside. It's like all wrapped up. So this is from the brand NIKXIE, NIKXIE Los Angeles, and this is gifted. And then I do want to clarify, some unboxings we choose items and some we do not. So this one I think I did choose. I don't really remember because it was so long ago, but once I open up the pieces, I will remember. And like I said, I will do a try on portion for all the clothing options. This is so cute to like wear over a bathing suit. It's like this crochet 70s inspired top. It's super adorable. Can't wait to wear that this summer. Next up, this really cute tie-dye t-shirt. Oh my god, I love this color. Super in, super fun. Love that. So cute. Oh, I do remember I did pick these items because I remember picking this. I wanted like a really simple gray oversized tee like this. I'm hoping it's long enough that I could wear it as a t-shirt dress. Something about it I loved. I love just like really simple styles like that. Just throwing everything on the floor. I haven't cleaned this apartment yet since moving in, so I really need to. These are the cutest masks. This one's pink tie-dye, which I already have a pink tie-dye mask. That's kind of funny. And this one's black with daisies. How adorable. And then just their logo t-shirt. So super cute. Thank you guys. Okay, next up, I just opened this box off camera with my key because I didn't want to waste time. But this is from the brand BIKINI Zone Anti-Bump Shave Gel. So even though I am mainly fashion, I do get a lot of beauty and skincare stuff sent to me as well. So this prevents bumps, itching, irritation. It's for sensitive areas. Love that. It's extra gentle with soothing botanicals and healing vitamins A and E. Conditions and helps protect skin for the closest shave without irritation. Clear formula for enhanced visibility to protect nicks and cuts. Oh my god. Excited to use that because I feel like, oh my god, that smells really good. Like fresh. I did laser a few years back and it's all grown back for some reason, so I have to start shaving again, which I hate doing, and I haven't used the shaving cream in so long. I feel like, do people do that? I don't remember how to shave, but this I feel like I would use because it's more of a gel rather than a cream. So again, this is from the brand BIKINI Zone. Definitely excited to try these out. Maybe before I go to the beach this weekend, maybe I should like shave my whole body. probably a good idea. Okay, I have not had a chance to open every box off camera. So, this is from the brand MERCIER, though I can tell by the packaging. And oh, here we go. Love their packaging. I actually have an event with them, a virtual event, this week. So I think that's what this is for. All right, so far I'm seeing Honey Drizzle Cake Mix. Okay, so we're doing an event and it's with, what's her name? She's so stunning. Olivia Copo, and we're baking, it's like a virtual event. So I'm really excited for that. So they sent over the cake mix and stuff we need to bake. But then they also sent over makeup, which of course is my favorite part. I'm so excited. So basically this whole event is for their new translucent powder, which I love their translucent powder. So they sent over one in translucent setting powder. I think one's in like their new shade. Yeah, one's in honey and one's translucent. So I always use their translucent one. Like I have a million of them, I love them. But now they sent over translucent honey, which I'll show you guys the difference. I guess it's just more, oh yeah, it's definitely more skin tone than just like the white powder. Just moved in, already making a big mess. What else is new? All right, next up, I believe this is a necklace that I've been dying to get. I think it is. So this is from the brand AYALA, ALAYA RAITER. I'm so bad at pronouncing, I'm so sorry. But she makes the most stunning pearl necklaces. And I don't know if you guys know this, but they're very in right now. Oh my God, I love this. I've been dying to open this. I'll put it on. Obviously, I wouldn't wear it with all this gold. Oh my God, how pretty. I guess I'll just keep it on for this video. Obsessed with that. I will have it in my description box because it is so beyond stunning. Next up, I think I know what this is too. So these were both gifted. I told you guys I would tell you that. Yeah, these are so cool. So this is to go on your eyeglasses. Like really cool rainbow beads are really in. So basically you'd wear them like this and they would go up on your glasses. But I feel like I could even do it for a mask. I saw some girls doing that. So thank you. And this is from the brand OJOS. Next up from Nasty Gal. I paid for this package. So I already went through and kind of looked at everything, but I will definitely do a try on portion of this. So first up, which I think this top is gonna be really similar to this white top, which is from Revolve if you're wondering, but this one's in black and it was from Nasty Gal, so obviously it was a lot more inexpensive, and the fabric, the material feels really, really nice. So love this. I haven't tried it on yet, but it looks really cute. Then I've just been like recently obsessing with like white or black plain sundresses for summer. So I'm hoping this isn't too long. It kind of looks like it will be, but just like a really simple white dress. Very simple. I definitely need to steam it, but it's cute. And if it's really short, I would like it. If it goes like past a certain point of my thigh, I don't like it. I'm not that tall, I'm 5'5", so I feel like a lot of dresses are really long on me and I hate that. But then I got this really cool plaid trouser. I thought this would be really cute back with that little black cropped tank I just showed you. So a pant, you could even wear it with a black bathing suit top, wear this over a bathing suit because I feel like they are a little see-through, but you guys will see it in the try on portion. So far I'm thinking I'm loving everything. I'm just hesitant on that white dress. And then this top definitely looked cuter online, but it's just like a really simple sand colored crop top. I feel like you could wear it back with like all different colors. So it might be a good basic just to throw on in summer, but that piece I might be sending back, I'm not quite sure. And then this one I was super excited about because it seems like it'd be short. It's a black dress that you tie up, and what I love is that it's ruffled on the bottom. You guys probably can't see because it's black, but you will see in the try on portion. So those are the few pieces that I picked up from Nasty Gal. Moving on, this is the brand JAUNTY. Oh, I remember what this is. So this is gifted. Hand note, super cute. They sent over this adorable blue velvet bathing suit, but I feel like this looks, oh my God, this looks like it might be a little small on me, but maybe it's supposed to be like really cheeky. Oh, I love their tag, how it's like printed on there, and I love the color. This is also really skimpy, so if you guys are into skimpy bathing suits, check them out. But they have really cute like hoodies, t-shirts, clothing like that. Okay, next up, this is an eyewear company, and I've showed their stuff for a while. She always sends me stuff every beginning of new season, so love that. These I thought were so cool because they're like the flip Oh, do they not actually flip? They do. Oh my god, they flip up. How cool. I don't know if I would ever wear them like that. I would wear them like that. They probably look crazy. Wait, I'm looking really far in the distance at a mirror, but they look really sick. Are they? Are they cool, guys? Let me know in the comments. These are so in. Okay, I feel like I'm like Backstreet Boys or NSYNC or whatever who used to wear these, but I'm like kind of into them and I know they're really in, but if I can't pull them off on my face, I'll definitely take like photos with them like hanging on my clothes or on my head. That's like a trick. If you have like really trendy glasses but they don't look good on your face but you want them in a photo, just like, I don't know, do like a detail shot with them so you're like up with the trends. But okay, that's just stupid. You probably just shouldn't keep glasses that don't look good on you, but like I'm crazy. So from Zara, this one I bought. Oh my god, it's like ripped open. Oh my god, rude. What the fuck? This box looks like it was sent through the war. I was dying for this white dress. I saw someone tagged it on Instagram and I've been looking, like I said, I've been looking for that perfect little like white summer dress. So once again, I'm hoping it's not too long on me, but it's tiered. And it's like a little baby. Oh my god, why does it smell really good? You don't think someone wore it? Like, no, not if it was online. It smells like perfume, like flowers. I would definitely wear it unbuttoned with like those cool glasses that I just opened, the first pair, with like a bunch of jewelry, sneakers, like a cute bag. Oh, I'm so excited. Super cute. Hopefully it fits. If not, I'll have to bring back. This was size extra small. They didn't have anything else and I figured I want it really short, so let's go with the extra small. All right guys, sorry for the position of my camera switch. The sun is like going down right now, so I wanted to move it to get the best light. But thank you guys so much for watching. Reminder, I do have a discount code for the brand Luisa that I put in the beginning of the video for the gold jewelry. I love her pieces, super good quality, and once again that code is StephanieL10 for 10% off, and that of course will be in my description box with some more information on their pieces. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, and I will see you in my next video.